Good afternoon. May it please this honorable court, Kareem Johnson on behalf of Martina Smith, who's approaching my immediate right.
Her name?
Martina Smith.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, the defense is requesting an adjournment in this matter. There's been a breakdown in the relationship between me and Ms. Smith. She is seeking to obtain private counsel.
Didn't she, other than the public defender, didn't she have an attorney before you?
No.
Maybe I'm thinking of a different place. Ma'am, what seems to be the problem?
I just don't. I don't feel comfortable.
I don't know what to do.
Well,
Your Honor, she believes that I am working with the prosecution. Tried to explain to her.
Excuse me? Oh, no. Go ahead, I want to hear this.
I've explained to her that under Michigan's R&O statute, there are several different ways that you can obstruct an officer, including just talking back or ignoring the officer. We've had an agreement for HIDA. I thought we had that agreement worked out. She had me speak to an individual.
This is a big moment. When a defendant says, "I don't feel comfortable with my lawyer," courts take note, but that doesn't mean they automatically get a new one. Judges look for actual conflict, not vibes. And accusing your attorney of working with the prosecution, that's a serious claim and a risky one.
I believe his father indicated that he was a paralegal. He gave me his MDOC number and instructed me to actually hold the exam and let you bind it over. I refuse to do that because I believe the prosecution will be seeking to add an additional at least 4 counts R&O for the other officers that were there. And I told him that what I would do is I would ask for an adjournment because having additional charges added plus walking away from an agreement where she would have no record, her should be in 25.
Here's the chess move most people miss. The attorney is trying to avoid additional charges. In Michigan, resisting or obstructing can multiply fast. Each officer can mean a new count. Walking away from a clean agreement to fight it can turn one case into 5. This is legal strategy versus emotional decision-making, head-to-head.
So she needs the prosecutor's consent for HIDA. Felt it was best for her to get somebody that they feel more comfortable.
So, first of all,
you never said nothing about
I know
the
what
charges.
what?
You never said anything about adding charges on her or nothing at all. That's not true.
See, here's what
I didn't.
I'm a great concern about, because now you're going to try to overtalk me. Go ahead. I'll wait. You done? Are you done? First of all, yes, because I've watched my whole various agents. Two, and I don't know how he stands there and not taking offense when you're saying he's working with the prosecution for sake of his talk. This man would never do that. Ever. I mean, if that's what I just found. That's crazy. And for you, if he really thought it was in your best interest to have the exam, you've got a doubt in my mind he'd hold the exam. So that's the first thing. And I was right. This is now the second attorney. Because my staff of I'm looking at paperwork. You had Mr. Elman, and you basically had that same complaint. You don't get to continue to choose. So, I guess part of the problem is going to be this is set for preliminary exams. And I understand part of the reason counsel's asking for adjournment is really to save. I'm almost at the mind yet. You know what?
This is the judge hitting the brakes. Defendants don't get unlimited do-overs with attorneys just because they don't like the advice. Courts see this tactic all the time, and they shut it down fast. Translation, you don't get to lawyer shop your way out of consequences.
Take his advice. You don't want to do whatever. Let's hold the exam. You get charges. You get charges. That's your call. But I'm not going to prove it in front of hands. So now what do you want to do? Because we're not going to play this game. Yeah.
When the judge says, let's hold the exam, and you get charges, that's not a threat, it's a warning. Preliminary exams are double-edged swords. Yes, cases can get dismissed, but prosecutors can also stack new charges if testimony opens the door. High risk, high reward.
May I? Because of the conversation that I've had with her father, I humbly ask the court's not going to remove me, but just grant a brief adjournment. I've never asked this court to remove me from a case. I know. When we have somebody who has not looked at the body camera footage, advising his daughter on what to do in a criminal case in which she could walk away with multiple charges. So I understand the court's frustration. I understand the court wants to move in the docket, but I am asking, this is not her request. I am asking for, at the very least, an adjournment in this matter. So ultimately, she can have counsel that they feel confident in and make a decision that is not going to negatively affect.
Well, people have a position about maybe not single regarding maybe not I'll grant the adjournment I can give you, because it's got to go before a thing. I'll give you next week or the 15th. Yes.
What day next week, y'all?
The 30th. It'll be a Tuesday next week.
That's fine, yeah.
It'll work. So, preliminary examination in this matter will be adjourned. December 30th, 2026. 9 a.m. that time. Sorry, it's at 12. That's before me.
Yes, sir, y'all.
Ma'am, I'm just going to give you a fair warning. And to me, you're not playing with you. Either you're going to listen to them or you're going to have an exam. And the chips are going to fall where they're going. If there are other charges and things you haven't, there's going to be feedback for you. But if you think that man sitting next to you isn't trying to save you and put you in the best possible position, well, that's your fault. Because apparently with your law degree, for us, he knows more than he is. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Hit my door. No, she hit my door. Huh? It was soft? No, it wasn't. I hit it. What are you trying to say? No, okay. That's fine. Don't make me check her down. Good enough. You do the same. Happy holidays. Then that's it. Somebody else do something. That's it. I'm going to go through your suggestion. It's going to be an order. Case, people versus Nathaniel Bryce. Thank you guys so much for picking up this Bryce. Your name, sir? Nathaniel Bryce. Thank you. Is this going to be as complicated as the last case?
Her expectation is that, Your Honor.
And just like that, we pivot. Same courtroom, same judge, completely different energy. Watch how smoothly this next case moves. This is what it looks like when expectations are aligned. Rights are knowingly waived, and nobody tries to outlawyer the system.